Good morning, students. This is Kanchan, your SST teacher. Today we will discuss chapter number 2 of class 4, that is sensitivity towards other. But before moving on to this chapter, I want to recall something from your chapter 1, that is family relationships. In this chapter, you have learnt about your family members, a nuclear family, a joint family, and the custom and traditions you have learned from your family members. The same thing we will do for others in this chapter. Now, we will move on to our chapter 2, that is sensitivity towards other. First of all, I want to tell you the meaning of sensitivity. Means being sensitive. Now again the question arises that what is being sensitive? When you talk to your friend and he is going through a tough time, the behavior you want to share with him is called being sensitive. If somebody gets hurt and you go and help him, this is called sensitive. Here is the story of Meena. He saw her 9-year-old son making a piece of art. She was very curious to know to whom this piece of art is going to be delivered. He asked his son. Then her son replied that this is for her classmate's little sister who is a special child. The whole class was making something for her. Some were making paper chains, some were making cards, some balloons for that little girl to celebrate her 5th birthday. The entire class was very happy, but the small little girl was not able to express her feeling by speaking or hearing. She was simply clapping and giving a smile to convey her happiness. Meena's eyes were filled with tears that her son was now a sensible person, because earlier he used to not share his toys with her little sister Usha. So she was very happy that now his son has grown up. In the story, we came to know about a special child. Now, what is a special child? A special child can be described as a physically or mentally disabled or weak, and it needs a special care and attention. Now we will come to the society. We all live in a society. Now what is a society? A society is an organized group of people where you can find many people who are being sensitive to each other. You can easily hold a hand of a small child or an old person who is standing on the side of the road to cross it. You can easily offer seat or in the bus or in the train, or carry the heavy bags of a woman who is not able to carry it. This type of attitude and love, respect and care we always learn from our parents at our home. Suppose you call your friends to play in the afternoon and your grandfather is sleeping that time. You will speak softly and tell your friends also to speak softly so that your grandfather doesn't get disturbed. This type of caring attitude can be developed by your friends also, and you can also give some important rules to be happy or make others happy. Now let's move on to the next story, the story of Vasudha. Vasudha is a famous fashion designer, but she has a very cute corner for her grandmother. She used to feed her, bath her and comb her hair before going to the office. Then again in the evening when she comes back, she again feed her, comb her hair and clean her up. Her father and mother both are working. They always appreciate Vasudha for her kind deed. She is very responsible. They have never forced Vasudha to do these type of works. The family plays an important role in being sensitive. All the small children or children who are at our age, they all love their grandparents. They gladly run and bring their spectacles, medicines, or whatever they ask from the next room. And in return, the grandfather or grandmother buy them their favorite things like ice cream, chocolates, or everything, and take them for walk in the evening. So now I come to the end of my video by giving you an activity. You will do this by thinking and asking your friends also. You can write 3 to 4 activities or good things you have learned from your friends. So now I am ending up my video by telling you to be safe at home, wash your hands with sanitizer, and be happy. Thank you.